The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Multiplication of Double-Digit Numbers. Example, 23 multiplied by 45. Let us take the multiplier 23 and multiply it with the multiplicand 45. Let us set the multiplier in the extreme left of the abacus, that is 2 in the extreme end and the number 3 to the right of it. For setting the multiplicand, we have to count the digits of the multiplier, that is 2, add it with the digits of the multiplicand, that is 2, and add one column for the abacus, which makes up the number of digits to be considered for setting the multiplicand as 5. Therefore, we have to count 5 columns from the right of the abacus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set the highest digit of the multiplicand, that is 4, followed by 5 to its right. That means we have to set number 4 in the 10,000s column and 5 in the thousands column. Let us start multiplying now. We have to repeat the procedure that in the multiplication, the first step is to multiply the lowest digit of the multiplicand with the highest digit of the multiplier. Therefore, let us commence the multiplication of 5 of the multiplicand with 2 of the multiplier. The result is 10. That means we have to set the number 1 in the immediate right of 5 in the hundreds column and 0 in the tens column. We have to remind the child that the next addition of the number should start from the tens column where we have ended the last operation. Now let us multiply 5 with the 3 of the multiplier and the result is 15. We set the number 1 in the tens column and 5 in the units column. Now the multiplication of the digit 5 of the multiplicand is over and therefore we clear the number 5 from the abacus, which clears way for setting the results of the multiplication of 4 with the multiplier 23. Let us start multiplication now by multiplying the number 4 with the 2 of the multiplier. The result is 8. In the multiplication, we should consider the single digit as a multiple digit number by prefixing 0, and therefore the 8 should be treated as 0, 8. Thereby we add 0 in the thousands column and 8 in the hundreds column. Now let us multiply 4 and 3 and the result is 12. We have to add 1 with the already existing 9 and 2 with the number 1 in the tens column. In the hundreds column where we have the number 9, there is no bead left and therefore we have to add 1 bead in the thousands column. That means we have added 10 instead of 1 and therefore the 9 in the hundreds column should be cleared. Then we move to the right to the tens column and set number 2 there with the already available 1, which makes it 3. Now the multiplication of the digit 4 with the multiplier is over and we can clear the digit 4 from the abacus now. Now let us check the result. It is 1 in the thousands column, 0 in the hundreds column, 3 in the tens column and 5 in the units column. Let the child explore. This problem has been demonstrated as the result involves numbers in the lower abacus, 0, and a number in the upper abacus. And handling such mathematical operation will enrich the learning experience of the child.